Dear students, welcome to today's session. So today I am going to explain some problems from statistics which were given in recent JEE June attempt. So the first problem is, consider the elements 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, x, y, where x is less than y. The mean of the data is given 6 and the variance is given 9 by 4. Then the value of x power 4 plus y square. This is a very easy question. Definitely everybody will answer this question. So the first thing is given as mean of this data is equal to 6. What is the mean? Sum of the observations by number of observations. That means 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus, that is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus x plus y by the number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 is equal to 64. So if you add this 4 plus 5, 9, 15, 21, 28, 36. So this is 36 plus x plus y is equal to 6 8s are 48. So this is equal to x plus y is equal to 12. Call it as equation number 1. Okay now. So the next question is, it is given variance. What is the variance? What is the formula of variance? So this is sigma xi square by n minus x bar square. That means x bar square mean square. That is equal to 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus x square plus y square by 8 minus mean square, that is 6 square, is equal to, it is given as 9 upon 4. Okay, so variance, how to find out variance? Each number you square it and add it, find it the mean minus original mean square is equal to 9 by 4. So if you simplify this, you will get x square plus y square is equal to 80. Call it as second equation. So this is a 4 square 16 plus 25 plus 36 plus 36 plus 49 plus 64. So this is a minus 16 square, you 36. You simplify it and you calculate, you will get very easy to calculate. This is x square plus y square is equal to 80. So upon solving 1 and 2, so since these are very integers, we can easily guess this values as x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. Guess it. 4 plus 8, 12. 4 square 16, 8 square 64. 16 plus 64, 80. So we got the values, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8. Now you want x power 4 plus y square. X power 4 is 4 square, 4 power 4 plus y square is equal to 8 square. After multiplying and multiplying 4 power 4 and 8 square, the answer is 320. So 320 is your correct answer. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. The second problem is, the mean of 50 observations is 15 and the standard deviation is 2. Okay, there are 50 observations are there, their mean is given, standard deviation is given, good. However, one observation is wrongly recorded. Okay, now the sum of the correct and the incorrect observation is 70. The sum of the correct and the incorrect observations is 70. If the mean of the correct set of observations is 16, if the mean of the correct set of observations is 16, then the variance of the correct set of observations. So very clear, the question is a very easy one. So try to understand, don't get confused. Okay, so first you divide the page into two parts. First you write down wrong observations. So this is a wrong data and it is correct data. Let us see that. First one is mean of 50 observations. That is wrong. Mean of 50 observations. That means x1 plus x2 plus so on x50 by 50 is equal to how much? 50. Okay, the mean of the 50 observations is sum of the observations by number of observations is 50. So you call it a next one. So this implies x1 plus x2 plus so on x50 is equal to 15 into 50. Let us say this is a wrong observations. 51 is the wrong observations. What is the correct data is given? If the mean of the correct set of observations is 16, the mean of the correct set of observations is 16. That is means what? X1 plus X2 plus so on, X50 is equal to 16 into 50. Okay, na? 16 into 50. That means sum of the observations by number of observations. Let us call it as this is a correct observation. This is correct. 50th observation is here, it is a wrong observation, and there it is a correct observations. Okay, now this is up to 49. It is also up to 49. You call it as first equation. This is second observation. Okay, now what you have to do is second one minus first one. You do first one. Second one means first one means what? So this is a second equation minus first equation. So if you do second minus first one, so all will get cancelled. So second minus 1 is x correct observation minus x wrong observation is equal to 16 into 50 minus 15 into 50. So this is equal to 16. So that is equal to 50. So x correct observation, x wrong observation. Correct observation minus wrong observation is 50. One more data is given. The sum of the correct and incorrect observations is 70. That means sum of the correct and incorrect wrong observations is equal to 70. So if you calculate this, if you solve these two equations, if you add it, so this is 1. So correct observation is, so your correct observation is, see here, add it, you both will get cancelled. This is a 120, 120 by 2, 60. What is the wrong observation? What is the wrong observation? So this is equal to 60 minus 10. This is equal to 10. So up to we got what is the correct observation and what is wrong observation. Okay, now. So using this correct observation, we have to find its variance. Okay, now. So we have to find its variance. For this, what is the variance of the wrong data? It is given. So standard deviation is given 2. So if you square it, we will get the if you square it, we will get the variance. Okay, now. So again we will, so this is up to mean we did. So let us continue our problem for standard using variance. Okay, now. Dear students, welcome to the remaining calculation. So we got here correct observation is 60 and the wrong observation is 10 we got. Okay, now if you want to, now we have to find out the variance of the correct set. So what is the variance of the wrong set? So what is the variance here? What is the variance? So variance is this. So this is x1 square plus x2 square plus so on, x49 square plus this 10 square divided by 50 minus wrong mean. What is the wrong mean here? The mean of 50 observations is 15. So this is wrong mean square. It is given as standard deviation is given 2. So therefore what is the variance? 4. Call it as equation number 1. This is wrong. This is wrong. Now correct. What is correct? x1 square plus x2 square plus so on, x49 square plus what is the correct observation? 60. 60 square upon 50 minus what is the correct mean? The sum of the correct, the mean of the correct set of observations is 16. This is equal to 16 square is equal to, so this variance we have to find out, call it as V. Understand? So very easy one, very easy one. You call it as first equation, you call it as second equation. So you anyhow you can, so up to here if you subtract all these x1 to x49, all will the data will be cancelled if you subtract. So this I will do like this. So this is a second equation minus first equation. So this is a V minus 4. V minus 4 is equal to, so this observations minus this observations means all will get cancelled. So this is a 60 square minus 10 square. 60 square minus 10 square, of course LCM will be 50. This is minus 16 square plus 15 square. So this is minus 16 square, minus of minus plus 15 square will be there. So if you answer this a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, 60 minus 10 will get cancelled. So you will get 70 here. So this is also, if you do all together, we will get V minus 4 is equal to 70 minus 31 on the whole. V is equal to, you will get 43. So 43 is your variance of the correct observations. Okay, right. So this is a 43. So what I did, so first I did all the mean, up to mean I did. Afterwards I have taken the variance. Okay. So the very easy problem this is. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to third problem. Consider 15 observations and their mean was 8 and standard deviation was 3. But incorrect observation is 5 was considered. When the correct observation 20 was taken, find the new variance. A very easy problem. This is also a problem on mean and variance only. Mean and variance. Okay now. So please concentrate more on the problems related to mean and variance. So here also wrong data, correct data, wrong data, correct data. So here what is wrong data? Wrong data. So this is a wrong data. Now here correct data. Correct data. Okay now. So what is correct data? So wrong data. Consider 15 observations and their mean was 8. So what are the 15 observations? x1 plus x2 plus so on. x15, sum of the observations by number of observations is equal to 8. But incorrect observation 5 was considered. So let us take this is an incorrect observation. Out of that 15 observations, one is incorrect observations. What is the incorrect observation? 5. So then from this what can you say? x1 plus x2 plus x14 is equal to how much? So this is equal to 15 8s are 120, 120 minus 5, 115. Call it as first equation. Move to correct data. So what is correct data? So here also sum of the observations is sum of the observations and correct data was, correct observation is what here it is given that 20. When the correct observation 20 was considered, that is a 20. Same number of observations is 15. Then what is the mean? We don't know the mean. Now we will find out the mean x bar. Okay now. Up to here how much? This value is how much? See here. So x1 plus x2 plus x4. So this is equal to how much? 115 plus 20 by 15 is equal to x bar. 115 plus 20, 135. 135 by 15. So 135 by 15 is equal to 19. So this is equal to 9. So 15 9s are 135. So what is the new mean? What is the new mean? 9. So now we will first, what is the data I have taken? Only used the mean. So now coming to the variance, we will go for variance. Okay na? So let us continue our problem. Dear students, coming to the variance. It is given how much? Here standard deviation is 3. The variance means 9. What is the wrong data? That is x1 square plus x2 square plus so on x14 square plus what is the wrong observation? Wrong observation is 5. That is equal to 5 square by 15 minus 15 and their mean is 8 square. So this is given as 9. This is given as 9. So that means sum of the squares of the observations divided by 15 minus its mean. Mean is 8 square. So from this we got this x1 square plus x2 square plus so on x14 square is given by. So we got this as a 1070. So calculate this. So this is a minus 8 square 64. So take it that side and afterwards multiply and subtract 25. You will get 1070. Now correct variance we are going to find out. This is the required answer, correct variance. What is the correct variance? So this is equal to x1 square plus x2 square plus so on x14 square plus correct data. Correct observation is 20 square divided by 15 minus correct mean. Correct mean just now we have find out. Correct mean is equal to how much? 9 square. Understand? 9 square. So up to here is equal to how much? This value just now we got. How much? 1070. So 1070 plus 400 by 15 minus 81. Minus 81. So if you calculate, so this value is 17. Okay, so very easy problem. So this problem is also related to only mean and variance. Okay, now. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to fourth problem. If the mean of 5 elements a, b, 8, 5, 10 is 6 and variance is 6.8, very good, and the mean deviation about mean is m, then find 25. So 25m. So what altogether you have to find out mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean means, so sigma xi minus x bar by n. Sigma xi minus x bar by m. First of all, you have to find out the mean of the given data. Mean of the given data. Okay, now mean deviation about mean means sigma xi minus x bar mean. If it is mean deviation about median means here you will write down the median of the data. Okay, now. So on the whole, if I find out the mean of the data, the problem is over. So the mean of the 5 elements a, b is 6. Mean is given, but we don't know the elements of a and b. So we have to find out the values of a and b. So let us first write down mean is given. What is the mean? A plus b plus 8 plus 5 plus 10. That is 5 observations is equal to 6. 5 6 are 30. 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 10 23. So that is equal to a plus b is equal to 7. We got one equation. Good. If you know the second equation, we can find out a value, b value. Afterwards, each element we will subtract. Right. What is the variance here? Variance is given. So what is the variance means? Square each element. A square plus b square plus 8 square plus 5 square plus 10 square. Find its mean. Minus mean square 6 square is equal to given how much? 6.8. So understand this definition of the variance. So variance is equal to what? Sigma xi square by n minus x bar square. X bar square. So if you calculate, this is a so this is a 6 square 36, take to that side, and altogether if you do this, if you calculate this, you will get a square plus b square is equal to 25. So this is second equation. A square plus b square is equal to 25. So you calculate this, first minus 36, take to that side, multiply with 5, that fractional part also will go. So 64 plus 25 plus 100. Altogether if you do that, a square plus b square value you will get 25. Okay, now. So a plus b is equal to 7, a square plus b square is equal to 25. Solve this equation. Don't try to solve it. Guess the answers. Guess the answers. Why? Because these two are only integral parts, integers. We can easily guess these answers as a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Try to check it. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 9 plus 16 25, right? Like that, try to guess the answers, okay, since these are very small. Okay, so everything is over. A value is over, b value is over. So find the mean deviation about mean using this formula. Okay, now mean deviation about mean. So this is equal to how to do? So modulus of each value, each number minus mean. So first you take here, this is value is 3 and this value we got 4. So 3 minus, what is the mean? 6. Modulus of 3 minus 6 plus modulus of 3 minus 4, sorry, 4 minus 6 plus element minus mean plus element minus mean plus element minus mean whole divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now. So 3 minus 6, modulus of 3 minus 6, calculate. So this is a 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus. So this is equal to 10 minus 6, 4 upon 5. Okay, so mean deviation about mean. So this value is equal to how much? So this value you will get 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 8, 12, 12 by 5. So this is equal to how much? Mean deviation about mean. He call it as. So you cross multiply this. So we want 25m, 25, not m, 25. So you multiply with the 25m is equal to 25 into 12 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are 12 5s are 60. 60 is your right answer. I think this is an integer type of questions it is given. The problem is a very easy. So the only thing is you have to find out mean deviation about mean. Okay now. So dear students, I hope that you understand all these problems. You try to concentrate the problems based on mean and variance and mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median type of problems. So only the basic level problems are only giving. Okay now. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class. Let us meet tomorrow's class.